prescription drug monitoring program because of this opioid epidemic crisis that we have. Control your what? Not only your C2s or controlled substances in general, all controlled substances, we monitor them so that we can check that or we can help with a problem and so that no drug diversion happens, so that we don't continue to add to the opioid epidemic crisis. But this means, what is this? Prescription drug monitoring program. Each state has set up one and the rules are different per state. And this is why now, I think it was in January 2021, okay, Nevada specifically, doctors are not allowed to write down C2 prescriptions anymore. It has to be e-prescribed. It has to be e-prescribed. So meaning transferred from the doctor's office straight to the pharmacy. That's part of the PDMP for our state. Part of Nevada law. Here. Remember this, organizations, they always come up on the PTCE as well. We're going to talk about books as well. They always come up on the PTCE and on your finals. Okay, so you know how to check for the validity of DEA numbers. You know that there should be a DEA number for that doctor if they're going to prescribe controlled substances. You know the rules for controlled substances. Now, hint, hint, wink, wink, always come up on finals and PTCE. DEA form 22. See why I had one prescription drawn. DEA form 22 for what? Those who did law with me. To order C2s. That's why it's 2. This is the form that we use to order C2 medications. It can be a paper form. It can be online. But there was one question on the ExCPT that I saw about this one. How many drugs can you order using the form DEA 222? 10, because there's 10 rows. Like, man, I had to think when I was doing the review. I said, how many? Like, okay, 10. 10. Okay, DEA form 222. Another rule. As a general rule, we file prescriptions for 2 years. But if the state says file it for 3 years, which one do you follow? The state this time, because it's stricter. 3 years is stricter than 2 years when we're talking about filing. So when the state and federal differ, which one do you follow? Whichever one is more stringent. So if the state says 3 years, you should keep it for 3 years. Okay. But on the PTCE and final exam, if you're at 2 years, you see that option, it's 2 years. That's for everybody, 2 years. DEA form 222, thank you for putting DEA form 222, good for 2 years. Okay.